All right, just coming into IKEA, and I'm gonna do some shopping. And I'm meeting cute dogs on my shopping spree here. Hi, we got Jackson in the house. Look at Jackson, ready for a pat? You want a patting? What? Here, him. He was like doing, what's this? Like he does a back?
Yeah, he just
what do you call it?
He just does it here and there. Like
okay.
Roly-poly.
Oh, roly-poly.
Hi.
Look at.
Yeah, let's see if I keep fighting it.
Hi, Jackson. And how old is Jackson?
He's 8 years old.
8 years old?
Yes.
You gonna give me your butt? 8 years old, and what type of breed?
He's a French bulldog.
A French bulldog? Oh. Any other tricks? Do you know how to sit?
Only when there's a treat in front of him.
Oh, I don't. I want to carry, but you know, I don't want
It's all
to.
good. Yeah, no, he's like a princess. Like his whole like digestive system. Like,
So,
super sensitive.
okay, so you say he has a routine when you go for walks. He
Yes.
comes in here, IKEA.
It's IKEA, Winners, and then Marshalls. And then we're back. We live in the area.
Uh-huh.
He's been doing this since he was a baby because we know, like, he knows this area.
Oh.
So, yeah, that's his side of being born.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
Yeah, fun fact, he was born on 11/11, so November
Oh, 11/11. Oh, Scorpio? You're a Scorpio? You're a Scorpio? Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. So cute. You are so cute.
One time he listens. He's not a listener.
So he takes you out for a walk.
Pretty much, yes.
Right. Aw, so cute. Oh my goodness. Jackson. Oh, Jackson.
He's a good boy, yeah.
Jackson. Come here.
He thought you were
Come here.
Yes.
Jackson. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? Oh, so cute.
Good boy.
Aww.
You gonna resist again? Yeah.
Okay, and you have an Instagram for
We do
Jackson.
have an Instagram, yeah.
And what is
It's at Jackson the Pied Puppy.
Okay, sorry. Say that slowly. At
Jackson
Jackson
the
the
Pied Puppy.
Pied
Pied.
Pied.
Puppy.
Oh, Pied
It's a
Puppy.
play on Pied Piper.
Oh, Pied Piper.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's like a cartoon, yeah.
okay. Oh, so
Pied
cute. Oh my
The
goodness.
reason for the Pied is because he's both brindle and pied. So the Pied's the black and white under him.
Oh, sorry. A mixed breed?
No, he's
No.
a French bulldog. He's a
French-
bulldog.
What? So.
The color on top is a brindle, so the brown, black.
Oh.
Guess the combination. That's a brindle. And the Pied's the black and white color.
Oh, I see. 8 years old. So cute. You're so
Stripped him down
cute.
to his, like, to his birthday suit.
Oh yeah. Hey, you like the massage, eh? They have dog massages.
I
Do you?
heard this. Yeah, I mean, I give him massages in terms of loving him.
Oh.
Like, yeah, that's
Oh.
but no, I mean, I've been meaning to check out these like massages you're talking about.
Like that. You like that, don't you? You like that. Okay, do your little flip again. He has a little trick.
He's got a little trick. Let me put him back in here so he's not too dusty.
Uh-huh.
Because it's my
Okay.
job to clean him after that. Alright, yes, this is good enough.
All right.
That's it. Let's go. He's gonna do his little trick now. Yeah, there we go.
Does he do that at home?
Mostly outside, but
Oh,
we're
really?
indoors. Yeah, any place indoors, outside.
Neato. Cutie. Cutie. Come look in the camera one more time. Oh, give me his
There's
back.
some butt scratches, yeah, all day.
You like that, eh? Right there. Right there. So cute.